Collages on Pinterest are one of the favorite pin formats of Gen Z. And today I'm gonna teach you how you can use Collage for your business. It can be a store, it can be a creator or an affiliate marketing, and I will teach you how to use it now. Pinterest launched the Collages a couple of years ago. It's a different kind of pin because you don't upload it ready. You have to do it inside of Pinterest. You select images or pieces of images and you add to a collage inside of Pinterest itself. All fun and cool, but here's how to actually use the collages to help grow your business. I will divide it in two ways you can use the collages for your strategy inside of Pinterest. The first way will be for creators, bloggers, and website owners that want to promote a page inside of your website or an article. The second way instead, it's a very important way that collages can be used to promote products and services. So this video is going to be useful for creators, for business owners, to coaches, to services providers on Pinterest, and also to who works with affiliate marketing. So the first way, let's talk about how to use it to promote articles. So you normally already have your schedule and publish your daily or weekly pins on your Pinterest account to promote your articles and your blog. One way to profit of this pin format is to create collages to promote your articles. So you're gonna use content that you already published on Pinterest to help you create this collage. Here's a quick example I'm creating live with you now. Let's go with a collage to promote my article about Christmas nails. You can select and cut pieces of images that already redirect to your blog, because when someone clicks the image, it will show your original pin that already has the link to your website. Once you finish your collage and publish, and remember to always keep title or description always optimized, here's a special trick that I've been trying lately. Not sure yet about the results, but I think it's worth trying it. When you publish a collage, you don't have the option to add your website link, but after you publish, you can edit your collage and add your link. Like I said, it's something that I've been trying lately, so let's see the results in the future. Because even if adding the link there doesn't give you a huge amount of clicks, always remember it's a good strategy to use all formats of pins inside of Pinterest to help your account to stay, let's say, in good health with Pinterest. Okay, so now here's the great way that business owners, e-commerces, creators, and even affiliate marketers can use collages on Pinterest. But before I show you, if you want to learn more about how to grow your Pinterest strategically and see real and faster results, make sure to download my free Pinterest Growth Blueprint Guide. The link will be in the descriptions and in the pinned comment, because there I show you 5 proven steps on how to grow on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go again to create a new collage, and this time, instead of wanting to promote my articles, I want to promote products, or even a set of products that can actually be more fitting to the collage style. You will find your products inside of Pinterest already if you already uploaded a products catalog. And if you don't have an online store and you are a creator or an affiliate marketer, you're gonna find the products that you previously tagged on Pinterest inside of a secret board. You're gonna find a board called Products You Tag. If you don't have this board, it's because you never tagged any products before. So before creating a collage, you will need to tag products in your normal pin. So the idea is to select one image or more and add your products that are in the photo. Remember that Pinterest is always about aesthetic and visual pleasing images to succeed. So when you publish a collage, when someone clicks on your products, they will see it here. If you sell fashion, beauty, decor, lifestyle products, I think this style of collage pins can be a great option to publish your products. Even with simple white backgrounds, it can do great on Pinterest. Now that you learn how to use collages with purpose for your Pinterest strategy, the next step is to learn 3 ways you should use AI to help your workflow be easier and faster. So watch this next video, I will teach you how to do it.